Inside every susumba berry is solacidine, a compound so potent pharmaceutical companies use it to create hormone-based drugs. And now researchers are exploring it for cancer, asthma, and even Alzheimer's. But this isn't new to traditional medicine. For generations, cultures across Africa, the Caribbean, and Asia have used susumba, Solanum torvum, to treat infections, control blood sugar, ease pain, and support liver health. It was known as a purgative, a fever remedy, a wound healer. Now, we're finally understanding why. At the heart of it all is solacidine, a rare steroidal alkaloid that doesn't just sit in the plant, it works. Let's start with cancer. In study after study, solacidine and its glycosides, solamargine and solacinine, have shown the ability to trigger apoptosis, programmed death, in cancer cells. Colorectal, pancreatic, gastric, breast, even leukemia and prostate. This compound doesn't just slow tumors, it stops them from spreading by interrupting cancer's signaling pathways, like AKT-GSK3 beta-catenin, STAT3, and NF-kappa B. In some studies, it even enhances the immune system's response by boosting TNF-alpha, IL-2, and IFN-gamma, your body's natural defenders. Next, inflammation. Solacidine actively suppresses COX-2, INOS, and pro-inflammatory cytokines. That means it's not just cooling inflammation, it's addressing its root. And that's why it's now being studied for asthma, autoimmune disorders, and inflammatory bowel diseases. And then there's infection. Solacidine doesn't just stop bacteria, it can amplify antibiotics against drug-resistant strains. It's shown action against Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, and even Candida albicans by breaking down biofilms and preventing fungal growth. But this compound doesn't stop there. In one study on allergic asthma, solacidine helped regulate Th2 immune responses, eased airway inflammation, and reduced cytokine overload, offering real potential for respiratory support. In neuroprotection research, solacidine has shown the ability to reduce oxidative stress and preserve brain tissue during ischemic injury, suggesting a role in Alzheimer's, stroke recovery, and other neurodegenerative diseases. It even plays a role in metabolic disorders, with studies hinting at blood sugar regulation and liver protection. And in topical applications, solacidine glycoside creams have been shown to treat basal cell carcinoma and actinic keratosis, with tumor clearance rates as high as 66% in just 8 weeks. This isn't a mild alkaloid. This is phytochemistry with precision, a plant-derived molecule capable of disrupting cancer, protecting neurons, regulating the immune system, and fighting infections. And it's all concentrated in the small, bitter fruit known as susumba.